Hey guys, it's me again. There's something happened. Yeah, remember when I went to jail for last episode? Well, I didn't bailed out, but something else happened. When he was testing his photo out, and then when he was testing the photo, I got shoved back in time somewhere. I got shoved in the back in time somewhere in time. I don't know when, but it's involved with the plane crash of the monster. I mean, this is where the monster was created. So if I find out who is the monster, I can go back in time and change that mistake. And we can go back in time. We can go back where I'm from. And we go back in that same plane. Go back in that same plane. And we can take him out. So I'm just waiting until some soldiers come in. Until soldiers go in. And once some soldiers go in, I'll go with them. I hope y'all wish me luck. So I can go back home. One time. Found soldiers. Go with it. Alright. Am I correct? So we should be in the exact time where the crash where the monster died at, right? This should be the exact time where the monster died at. Must be the general. Going into the general. Welcome everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you here. You guys here. General. I'm the Robloxia State Army General. Robloxia State. You can call me General Paca. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Yes, sir. Now, please take a seat. Take a seat, you guys. Respect God. Let's get to the point. This is our target. His name is Ronald. What? Ronald? We have investigated and he actually dangerous Robloxman. Dangerous Robloxman. What did he do? That's where we're heading. Ronald had kidnapped the captain of the airplane. Oh no. Everyone in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in mode, auto mode, what it means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane, everyone out safe. Ronald? We'll find Ronald and bring him to justice. Is Ronald supposed to be president though? Wait, but how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. So Ronald is the monster. I could have shot him, but I didn't. I need to tell the guys to bring me back in time. I'll have to make part 2 of that tomorrow. But I will not make that same mistake again. Going back. Gotta make sure I make things right and kill him. And shoot the gun. Make sure I can shoot the gun. I don't know he's suspicious. But we're now. So I'm back in time with Ronald. Wait. I mean, this could be the situation when Ronald get his heart attack. Also, these must be the legends who must have brought Ronald down. My ancestor was here. Well, I must have replaced him because I knew he would look at me. I knew he was my ancestor. I brought my ancestor down, so yeah. But good thing I have serum to make him remember everything. Yeah, I have exact memory what happened in time. And he felt that. Welcome to the military period. People just die left and right. This is my outfit. No one is leaving the place without a military outfit. Aye, aye, General. You're ready, General. You're ready. You're ready for action. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Now let's shape the system. Checking the plane. Man, people just die out there. The plane got a fuel. I'm still in disbelief. And people's killing themselves at this point. So I guess we'd be the only one in this mission. Oh, I'm the only one in this mission. I beat Ronald down. I need to bring Ronald down. My ancestor. That's why he wants dead. My ancestor brought him down a long time ago. That's why he's back. That's why he technically took our plane. Everyone here is the ancestor from the first episode of the plane. Their plane. So that's why he hunted us down. Because these are our ancestors. Well, not ancestors. Most are our grandpas. These are our grandpas, though. Or fathers or something. Dude. I got them in there. He took the thing with him. It was great. He broke the game. Now I'm already in that break. They kill themselves. Well, I guess I'm on this mission on my own. Like always. I just have to be careful. If I don't be careful, if I only won't move, I will die. I have to go back in time. And then after I have to revert the mistakes. The rest of the mistakes I made. I will not make the same mistake again twice. I will make sure next time I go back in Airplane 2, I will shoot him. I will promise you that. I will fire and shoot at him. This was a test. I passed. Excellent. All 9 roads are connected. My entire team just died from nothing, honestly. I'm just, bro. I'm on smart one here, honestly. Honestly, I'm not gonna call them dumb, but the fact is they just killed themselves for no reason. It just made me feel like I came with a bunch of idiots. Or whatever. I could do this on my own. Or I could try to do this on my own. I'll try. Pilot Clark. That's Pilot Clark. He'll be our pilot through this mission. Yes, General. System is ready, General. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. Engineers, ready. Engines ready. Opening the back door. Now get to their fine seat before we close the door. Hello, General. I'm nervous. I've never been this nervous for any fight. Also, I've had to remake that cruise video. Yeah, that cruise video I was supposed to make. I made a cruise video, and then yeah, it did not upload. The upload failed. So I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make a cruise story video after I upload all these 3 or 4 plane stories. And then after that, it'll take place after the plane story. It'll take place after that. And then after I'm done with the cruise, I will do part 4 and then go back to Fortnite. We're now flying. And the kidnap plane. Even so, we still a few hours until we get there. There is something about Ronald guy. There is. At first sight, he looked like a good person. Why would he do this like that? He loves to see car crashes. Plane crashes. He loves doing plane crashes. General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Everyone have a banana. Thank you, General. You might need the energy for later. Yes, General. I'm not fine. The General's cool. The General will look cool. I wonder what happened to him in the future. What happened to him in the future? What? I'm just kidding. Bro, you don't give me a heart attack. I thought it was actually poison. It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. I'm sorry. I just had to do it. Well, like I said, he is cool. He know how to make jokes. Anyways, we'll be flying for a few hours. We might ask chill and take a nap or whatever. Thank you, General. I will wake you up when it's time. Thank you, General. I was gonna keep on saying thank you, General, for the rest of the video, honestly. I'm still just thinking about the mistake that I made. I made the mistake. I did not shoot at the president. I didn't know president was this evil. He's just evil. It's not time. And it looked like we were inside a storm. We need to be ready in case of, you know, we were struck by lightning. What? You were struck by lightning? Our world motor is struck with danger. Does that mean we will die? Okay, everyone, chill. Yes, General. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Yes, General. Wait. Out there? Yes, out there, me. You going out there, I don't care. Because bravery comes from heart. Not for the head, but heart. And when General needs help, we're going to help him. But we need to make sure time repeats itself. This is so scary. Bro, again with the scariness, I'm not afraid. It's getting worse. The storm is getting worse. I will fix it. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Take your time, General. Take your time. General! Cover me. I'm trying not to get struck by lightning. I'll try. He's hanging on to the thing. He's hanging on to the wing totally. I don't wait a minute. The lightning storm is not that great. It's not very big of a threat. The motor is fixed now. General, I've never seen such a strong storm. Yeah, I thought, General. Who's that? What is that? You will not stop this fate. Fate. Burn. Fire. Fire. Wait. Same fire from last time. What the Black Monster had. What Ronald had. Can it be? That's Death's fate. He gave him the heart attack. He possessed him to turn into the monster. It kinda makes sense because he had the same ability. He used it and turned Ronald into the monster he is. That means he's responsible. Okay. Then, alright. I just need to make sure I don't interrupt any time mistakes. Make sure I don't interrupt the timeline or mess up any timeline mistakes. Now I know he's probably the reason, because he's fate itself. He controlled the fate. He probably gave him a heart attack to get him killed. He made a deal with him. Back door of the kidnapped plane. We need to get everyone out safely before we get after Ronald. Once we are in, we just have one more chance. Good luck, soldiers. Thank you, General. It looked like Rhino covered the door. Now we need to break in there, General. I wanted to do this my whole life. Yep, that's definitely the president. Yep, that's definitely the black guy, because he wanted to crash this plane. Yep, that's him. Oh no, we better hurry. Yep, no crap. Yep, I'm already on it. Find anything to open this door. Yep, I'm already on it. Found a hammer. Yep, I did. Now it's off. Ronald. It's over, Ronald. Yeah, Ronald. Come to us peacefully. Fate do not have to go this way. How did you get here? Ronald, come back here. You can change fate. You don't have to do this. Ronald. There's no time after to go after her. Save the hostages. We need to save the hostages, everyone. Save the hostages. Yes, General. Dora, y'all will be safe. Y'all be okay. Y'all all will be okay. You be okay. Everyone here will be okay. I did, General. I have informed me all noobs are safe. Right. But there is still one left. The captain. Let's say the captain then. General. I know what will happen. Ronald will have a heart attack in this situation. And then we will save the plane, but I think we will save the plane, but he will have a heart attack. But I need to make sure I kill Ronald, the president, back at home. Once I go back home, I will kill the president. But first, I want you to take this nap out of this video. Who wants to be the hero and step in front of the captain? I will do it. Alright. We trust you. Do not. Okay, y'all need to stop using my government name, my full government name. Ronald, open the door. You don't have to be like this. We can save you. We can work this out. See? Come on, Ronald. We can make it together. Ronald, let the captain go. We can leave here. Do you understand anything? Understand what? We are running my plane. I deserve this plane. Listen to what I'm going to say. It's over. You are going to jail. What is wrong, Ronald? What is wrong, Ronald? What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. Then Ronald, come with us. We can be your friends. We can be your friends, Ronald. We can be friends. We can be your friends. But you need to take my hand. If you don't take my hand, we can save you, Ronald. You do that for me? Yes, Ronald. We'll do it for you. Because heroes save everyone. Even villains. That's their job. Even when a villain enters. I don't know if you can't save me. I've taken things too far. Then let me help you. If you take things too far, you're right. You can't save you. It's never too late to do the right thing. Unless you make it too late by not making this choice, Ronald. If you don't come with me, then it's too late. Okay, Ronald. Now come with us. Come on. I'm not feeling well. The heart attack's getting in. Ronald, no! Ronald! Ronald. Ronald, are you okay? General, we need help Ronald. No! General, Ronald! General, they're gone. The room is burning. There's no time. They took him. The skeleton killed him. Then I must still have to kill President. I have to kill the President. Come on, General. Come on, General. We need to get out of here. What about you? General. We won't leave you here. General, we're not leaving here. I will save Ronald and the cat. But they're burning alive in there. You can't. There is no time. Just go. It was a pleasure with you, soldier. Thank you. It's a pleasure with you, General. Back to the emergency room. I'll remember you. I'll remember you, General. Everyone's gone. Everyone's gone. I could have saved Ronald and the cat. So I must still kill the president once we get back home. I had to kill Ronald. They should have waited for me. The hostages. I saved them all. Well, I can't save the people up there though. Hey, Captain. You made it. Captain made it? I did. Thanks for saving my dad. Thanks for saving my life. Anytime, Captain. But where's General Paco? Wait, he saved you? Then he should be alive. He gave his life to save everyone on the plane. What you mean? He got on fire though. He should be alive. If he was alive, he's a hero. That's all he is. Thanks for your services, soldier. I know General Paco is proud of whoever he is. I hope so too. I hope so too. My phone. Alright. Well, guys, I'm about to go back home. I'm about to go back in the town where I'm at. But first thing tomorrow, I have to go back in time, back in Airplane 2. I have to go back to finish where it started. I must shoot at Ronald. I can't let Ronald stay alive after this. Okay, if Ronald stay alive anymore, he'll kill millions of people. Millions of more people. A lot more people will be at stake because of Ronald. So, I'll make sure I shoot at Ronald when I get back in time. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. It's been a little dark. I've been talking a little dark because, well, I recognized the story. So I knew that guy recognized something. But I'll see y'all next time. First thing tomorrow. I'm going back in time to kill Ronald. And after that, I hope on that cruise I've been planning for a while. But you did call me here like I wanted to be, but it really is worth it though. I don't think it's worth it for sacrifices. Because I wanted to say Ronald, but I couldn't. But General saved the captain, like a real hero he is. So I will make sure the General will not be in vain. You're a General. I'll get him for you. I'll get Ronald McDonald's. Until next time, folks. Peace out. Low key.